Hey kindergartners, this week we are starting packet 9.1 and that means we're working on letters X and Y, how to write them, the sounds they make, how to blend them, and we also have two new sight words, my and to. My and to. This one we've used a lot already when we write I go to the park, to. So let's get started on X. X is a really fun letter because the sound that it makes, and the sound usually comes at the end of the word, like box, box. Now, the crazy thing about X is also a K and an S together make the X sound, like in socks. If you take the S off and you just had one sock, it would be sock. But when you put the S on the end, it sounds like an X, socks. So we're going to go over ones that actually end in X so that you can write them in your three spots, all right? So let's write X. I'm going to take this down. And in the middle of the board, we're going to make our capital X on a diagonal line with a little monkey tail. And then another diagonal line so it crosses in the middle. Get a better view on that. And then once you have your capital X, lowercase x, you make the same way. It starts in the middle, goes down, monkey tail, and then a diagonal across. X. All right, so here is Xavier Fox. Fox has a X at the end of the word. So we're going to write fox. Aw. X. And there we just wrote it. Fox. Our cute little Xavier Fox. Fox ears. Fox. There's my fox. Fox. And then I said another word that ended with a X. You put stuff inside of it, or things might be shipped to your house and they come in this. I'm going to write it, see if you can sound it out as I write it. It's our first sound. B. Aw. X. Let's blend it together. Box. Yeah, box. In your math, you are probably working on your cubes, right? That chapter. We're going to make a little cube here. And there's our box. A box. Now there is a word that we wanted to talk about. This X comes at the beginning, and it actually says the word X. You guys know what that is? This person went in and had their hands X-rayed. So this is an X-ray. It's a machine that can see your bones in case you break a bone, so the doctors know how to fix it. X. And then ray, R-A-Y, X-ray. And if you want to draw an X-ray, let's see, we could do a little X-ray machine here. And there's our person, he's smiling. Down, there's his shoulders. And then in the X-ray, we see the ribs. And the leg bones. There's my silly person. We'll have his hands up here, so his hands, he's like, hi, I'm okay. There's his feet. And then inside the X-ray, you see the bones. So there's our X-ray. So we have box, fox, X-ray. So now you have 3, and you might come up with different ones. So now you're going to put them in your alphabet book. Let's go over some of the rules of our alphabet book since I'm not there to see your alphabet books. Our rules, remember, slow like a pro. We want beautiful X's. I'd rather have 5 perfect X's than 10 sloppy X's. Really take your time. Do it right the first time, then you don't have to redo it. I'm going to erase our X's. X. All right, first we're going to trace our capital X. Start from the sky, diagonal down, slight monkey tail, diagonal across. So you can see it crosses in the middle, our capital X's. Do a finger space and do your next one. Slow like a pro. Diagonal, and a diagonal. If yours are coming out sloppy, sometimes they end up like that. You don't want that. Oh, you can't even see that. Put it over here. So we don't want that. That doesn't look nice. So if you're having trouble with it, you can make 4 dots. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the dots line up. And that'll help you to go, okay, this diagonal goes to this dot. This diagonal goes to that dot. And that should help you make your X's. Same with your lowercase x. First we trace it down, monkey tail, across, finger space, so we don't want them squishy, down, monkey tail, and across. And if you're just having trouble making them to how you like them, make your little dots, make your box, or have a grown-up make the boxes for you, or an older brother or sister, if you're having trouble. And then you can make your X's a little easier. And then write your 3 pictures. So if you want to do X-ray, fox, can you see me write that? If I could move my hand. Ox, and then box, ox, and then draw your pictures. Remember, your words and letters are more important than the pictures on this project. So slow like a pro, make it gorgeous. All right. Have fun with your X's, and tomorrow I will be posting Z so we can get our Z's done. Beautiful Z's. I'm going to show you some tricks to making some gorgeous Z's. All right, bye.